Hello YouTube. I got another video here for you, and I wanted to start out by saying that how important it is to unbias your mind. Break the chains that hold it back from seeing reality for what it really is. Because that's what I'm trying to say here is that plate tectonics looks at the world as if it was a flat Earth. Even though it's round, it's still got these plates underneath the continents, which allow it to only move like it's on a flat Earth. You can move this way or that way. But the cool thing about our minds is if you can break that bond, those rules on how to look at the planet, you'll begin to start to notice things a little differently. Like say if you notice that this is like a vortex, and vortexes rotate, and maybe this right here is actually rotating around something or in something, like a spiral or something. So say for instance, if we come up here like this, you can see how it fits around, and then you can see that it looks like it may be spinning inside of this. And then the next thing you'd see is this wrapping around the vortex, like, around it. And that maybe this is sucking it up and coming right out the side here. And maybe we could see the bigger brother of the vortex, that's the older version. It's more defined and larger. And like I said, this could be rotating around, which could go like this. Maybe I should get closer here. And now you can see that it's wrapped. But this could be the stream of matter that's being sucked up into it. You can tell they're related because they're the same thing. They're both of the same vortex. They're just different moments in time. And so let's take a look at this. Trippy how it's wrapped. And then this could be sucking in. This could be stuff being sucked in too, like and a vortex makes way more sense in making planets than gravity does any day, if you ask me. almost has to be that way. It just seems like it to me. Gravity pulling dust particles together to eventually make a giant planet in billions of years actually makes no sense to me whatsoever. None whatsoever. But an electric vortex, which seems to be how the universe operates, our solar system's a vortex, everything's a vortex. Well, it makes a lot more sense that planets would be made by a vortex, most likely off a brown dwarf star. That's what I'm saying. And it's a shame that mainstream science just refuses to tell us what I think is the truth. You know, they'd rather search for make-believe stuff like black holes, dark energy, dark matter, instead of focusing on real stuff like electric vortexes and plasma, stuff that's real. Actually, we know for fact is real. And to me, it's a manipulation or a deception. And I'm hoping the sooner that people catch on to that and realize what's really going on with this mainstream bullcrap science, hopefully we can fix it. You know, the sooner we can fix it would be great. Because I'll be honest, I don't think a small group of people should have access to knowledge and then allow it not to be accessed by the rest of us. I think that's unfair, and I think it's just not the way it's supposed to be. And I don't think anybody's better than anybody. So I don't feel like the elite should have privileged knowledge, because that's the way it's always been in history. They've always kept the truth from people, and we never seem to learn that lesson. We just keep reliving it over and over again. And just look at this, come on. Plate tectonics. Have you seen plate tectonics when they match Africa to South America? They're not even close. It's like gaps the size of states, you know. But look at this. I mean, come on. That's just 1,000 times better. And then you got Australia fitting in here once you rotate it a little better. But yeah, do your own overlays, and you'll be surprised what you find. It's totally worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.